Welcome to the chemistry question. Jordan here, and today we're going to be talking about iodine. Iodine is a halogen like fluorine, chlorine, and bromine. It is the heaviest of the stable halogens and the least reactive. Unlike fluorine and chlorine, which are gases, and bromine, which is liquid, iodine is a purple-black solid with a slight metallic luster. However, it melts easily and boils soon after. As you can see by the phase diagram, it has a very small liquid range at 1 atmosphere. This also means that liquid iodine has a very high vapor pressure, so it is not very stable in liquid form. In this picture, one can see solid, liquid, and gaseous iodine all together, showing just how small its liquid range is. Another thing to note is, like the other halogens, gaseous iodine is visible, as iodine vapors have a bright purple color. Iodine is also an essential trace nutrient for humans, being necessary for proper thyroid function. This is why it is often added to salt. Without sufficient iodine, the thyroid gland swells and a condition known as goiter develops. Iodine-131 is radioactive and is a product of nuclear fission. As one would expect, it accumulates in the thyroid. After the meltdown of the Fukushima nuclear power plant in Japan, many people were exposed to potentially harmful levels of radioactive iodine. In order to get it out of their systems, many chose to take potassium iodide supplements to replace the radioactive iodine in the body. A common demo showing reaction rates is the iodine clock reaction. This reaction takes place in multiple steps and involves iodine being produced in solution. A starch indicator is added that makes the solution quickly go from colorless to a dark blue-black once other reactions have completed and iodine builds up in solution. Another fun demo involves the compound nitrogen triiodide. After being synthesized and left to dry, nitrogen triiodide becomes a contact-sensitive explosive. Just touching it with a feather is enough for it to rapidly decompose into iodine and nitrogen gases. It is too expensive to be an economically viable option as a weapon, but it can be fun to make puffs of purple vapor. Thank you for watching the chemistry question. Be sure to subscribe and leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time.